Now let's talk about how you can fix it when your iPhone is mute. Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you'll never miss anything important in the future. Now, there are more reasons why your iPhone is mute. For example, if you're listening to some kind of content, sound, song, whatever, right? Pay attention to the sound settings, which are basically applied to all of the things. Like a lot of people just tend to use the volume buttons, but those can be set for either the ringtone volume or content volume, right? So when you go to these settings and check out the sounds and haptics section, we have the toggle which is called change with buttons. And when you enable that, it changes what happens when you use the volume buttons on the side and you perhaps are not adjusting the volume of the content but volume of the ringer, which is the sound of incoming calls, right? So just pay attention to the fact that you're doing it properly, right? You can also just check it out in the control center to make sure you bump up the sound, right? And yeah, you should play your audio like your media with a good enough volume. But when it comes to some other things like notifications and stuff like that, right, still within these sounds and haptics, you need to make sure that your ringtones and text tones are set properly, right? Because there is the ability to set it to nothing. For example, the text tone can be set to none, right? Meaning that you receive a text message and literally nothing plays. So just pay attention to it that it's all set up properly. Then you can also check out the notification section and ensure that those apps which do deliver notifications also have the sound option turned on. Otherwise, they will again deliver it quietly. So I'm just covering the most common things. So if there is anything else which I didn't mention in the video and you still have kind of problem with it, then let me know about that below in the comment section. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you later.